Good evening, everybody. It's 8:31 and 32 seconds on July 24th. This is the drawing for the two Luke Cage number 1 slabs. One of them is 3.0, the other one is 3.5. Over here on the left-hand side are the 14 filled spots. So let's roll our 3 dice. The number is lucky 13 for somebody. So I'm going to randomize 13 times, name at the top of the list. We'll get both books. I should be able to ship them tomorrow, the 25th. Worst case scenario, they will go out on Thursday, the 26th, if I can't get back in time to ship out tomorrow. Alright, so away we go. Best of luck. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and this is the final one. 13, spot 5, Kyle Roth. Congratulations. The time is 8:32 and 38 seconds.